Hey there. Are you tired of feeling, tired? I was right where you are now, struggling to focus, feeling lazy, and letting tasks pile up. But after trying out a few science-backed techniques, I've completely changed the way I approach my day. In this video, I'm sharing what really worked for me to boost my energy, stop procrastination, and feel more motivated every day. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll be ready to tackle those tasks with renewed energy. Let's start with sleep, the foundation of energy. I used to think sleep was flexible, something I could sacrifice for productivity. But after feeling constantly groggy, I started researching, and I discovered that poor sleep can disrupt your whole day. Studies from the National Sleep Foundation show that adults need a consistent 7 to 9 hours each night to recharge properly. When I committed to going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, I felt the benefits almost immediately. Keeping a regular schedule aligned my body's internal clock, also known as our circadian rhythm. This rhythm regulates how awake or sleepy we feel throughout the day. Now, with a set bedtime, I actually wake up refreshed and ready to go. Hydrate for energy and alertness. Here's a simple yet often overlooked tip. Stay hydrated. Dehydration, even mild, can make you feel tired and mentally foggy. In fact, research from the Journal of Nutrition has found that dehydration reduces cognitive performance, affecting everything from focus to short-term memory. When I started being more mindful about drinking water throughout the day, I noticed a big difference. Aiming for at least 8 cups of water helped me feel more alert, especially in the afternoon when I usually felt the most sluggish. Fuel your body right. Next up is nutrition. This one was a game changer for me. I used to reach for snacks and sugary treats for a quick boost, but they always left me feeling worse. Here's why. Sugary and processed foods cause your blood sugar to spike and crash, which can actually make you feel more tired. Research from the Nutrients Journal highlights that whole foods, especially those rich in complex carbs, protein, and healthy fats, provide stable energy throughout the day. Switching to more balanced meals with foods like nuts, whole grains, and vegetables kept my energy more consistent. Try it. Avoiding the afternoon energy crash can be as simple as choosing oatmeal or a handful of almonds over that donut. Use the 5-minute rule to break through procrastination. Procrastination was a big issue for me. I'd often feel overwhelmed by the thought of starting a big task, so I'd just avoid it altogether. That's when I discovered the 5-minute rule. Here's how it works. You commit to just 5 minutes of any task. Psychologists call this the foot-in-the-door technique. It's a way to get started with minimal resistance. When I set a timer for just 5 minutes, something amazing happened. Once I started, I often kept going. This technique helped me break through the mental block and reduce procrastination, and it could do the same for you. Exercise regularly. Even short sessions help. When we're tired, exercise might feel like the last thing we want to do. But here's something interesting. Just 20 to 30 minutes of moderate exercise can actually boost your energy and improve focus. According to Harvard Medical School, exercise releases endorphins, chemicals in our brain that help reduce stress and boost mood. Personally, I started incorporating short walks or light stretching whenever I felt an energy dip. It's a quick way to recharge both mentally and physically, and I found it made me feel more awake and motivated to keep going. Plan your day to reduce decision fatigue. Decision fatigue is real, and it was a big cause of my procrastination. Making too many small decisions can exhaust our mental energy, leaving us too tired to tackle important tasks. According to research from Stanford University, having a clear plan can help you conserve mental resources and keep you focused. I started writing a simple to-do list the night before, breaking down tasks into smaller, manageable steps. Knowing exactly what I needed to do made it easier to jump into each task without getting overwhelmed by choices. So there you have it. These strategies completely transformed how I approach my day. By focusing on consistent sleep, proper hydration, balanced meals, exercise, and planning, I feel so much more energized and productive. It's amazing what a few small adjustments can do. I hope these tips help you too. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with anyone else who could use a boost in their day-to-day energy. Here's to feeling motivated, energized, and ready to take on anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.